How do we get words into the computer?
That's a great question. Typically, you need a word representation. You can imagine that for every word, we have a 1 if the word is present and a 0 if not. So then that'll just be a 1 for every, one hot vector or a vector with a 1, 1 and a bunch of zeros. But you can imagine if our lexicon is huge, like 40,000 words or something like that, you're going to have a lot of sparsity and your matrix multiplication is going to become intractable like pretty much immediately. So what do we do about that? What we want to do is create dense representations of words using what we call an embedding. Essentially what that means is that a word is transformed in some way to a vector representation of it that's very dense, meaning it's primarily all filled out. It's not sparse in that it doesn't have a lot of zeros. Because you can imagine in the vector space, right, you pretty much have one vector in each direction for every single direction when you have a one-hot encoding. In an embeddings vector space, all of the vectors are going to be way closer together and far more easily differentiable. Calculus and multivariable calculus, which is used a lot in machine learning, you want the vector space to be smooth and easy to work with, and that's accomplished using an embedding or a dense embedding space.